Irgendwas Geiles.
Reunited at last.
Oha.
The mother
Pinguine.
sees her chick for the first time.
Oh.
She's keen to start parenting, but the father needs persuading to surrender the chick he's been caring for all winter.
Oh, der will auch mit dem Kleinen spielen, aber die Mama
He
will
must
nicht.
now put his chick at risk. In these temperatures, it could freeze in seconds.
Guck mal, es wärmt sich, voll süß.
The male will have to let go.
Oh.
Eventually, the transfer to the mother
Voll
is
süß.
safely made.
Lauft der
The
auf...
chicks grow quickly on a
Ist der
diet
gerade
of
auf den
fish
Füßen von
and
der
squid.
Mama gelaufen? Nein, das machen die ja wirklich. Ah. Oh, müde. Das bin ich und das ist Chat. Wenn ich euch Essen gebe.
Soon, they're keen to explore, but always with mother in tow. This chick is less fortunate. Its mother has not returned to claim it.
Oh nein, er hat keine Mutter.
Another orphan is searching for a new family, but this female already has a chick of her own.
Oh, ey! Ey, lass uns in
Some
Ruhe!
orphans receive too much mothering from penguins whose own chicks have not survived. The urge to parent is so strong that they will compete with one another to adopt any chick they find.
Ey, renn weg, schnell! Renn weg! Oh nein!
Many of these squabbles end in tragedy, as the poor chick is trampled to death.
Aber der lebt, der hat doch überlebt, oder? Der hat überlebt, er hat überlebt, er hat überlebt, er hat überlebt. Ich mein's ernst. Ja, guck, er hat überlebt.
Those chicks that
Safe.
do have parents quickly learn survival skills. Even in spring, they must huddle together for warmth, just as their fathers did in the depths of winter.
Saved. Oh, ist kalt.
A group of chicks has got lost in the blizzard.
Fuck!
Cold and disorientated, they search for the colony. It will not be long before the storm claims its first victims.
Gib noch Musik an, so. Jetzt. Oh nein, die Armen! Oh, es ist... Die sollen einfach zu mir kommen.
By early summer, the chicks are surprisingly well developed, and now look ready to take on the world. Those that survive their first year have the best possible start in life, thanks to the extraordinary hardships endured by their parents. Parents who battled with the Antarctic winter and won.
For an idea of the scale of the supergiant we're here to find, I've got a selection of skulls. This one belongs to a black bear, and these are found right here in California.
Wow.
But it's totally dwarfed by this one. This is a grizzly bear, and the canine teeth on this one are about as long as my thumb. This is in the record books as being the largest land predator on Earth. So, this gargantuan skull must surely come from some prehistoric dinosaur, a saber-toothed cat perhaps. Well, actually, this supergiant is anything but extinct. In fact, they're increasing in number. There's said to be over 150,000 of them, and the best place to see them is on the beach just over there.
Okay. Oh mein Gott! Nein, Werbung! Ich kann meine Maus nicht anfassen. Ja. Weiter geht's. Was ist das denn? Thaddeus.
These are elephant seals. It's pretty obvious where the name comes from. And with that size, the skin, and that extraordinary nose, they do just look like swimming elephants.
Elephant seals are the biggest seals on the planet. The largest can be 6 meters long and a whopping 4 tons. I want to see for myself why elephant seals have become supergiants. It's important to respect their personal space.
Ich glaube, die stinken richtig, aber die sind süß. Boah.
Elephant seals rarely cross paths with people. But when they do, they can really throw their weight around.
Okay. Warum? Why, though?
And up here on land, they're impossibly ungainly and out of place. But for these female elephant seals, there's still one part of their life where they're totally bound to the land. They come here to give birth, all right, and to find a man.
It's the male elephant seals that are the real supergiants. They're over 3 times heavier than the females. The males have to fight for mates. The bigger they are, the better their chances of success. Thanks to scientists from the University of California, Santa Cruz, I can get hands-on with one to see how it's equipped for battle. He's been sedated while the team attach a radio transmitter.
Hey, hört auf damit!
It's remarkable. As the animal's breathing, you can hear the air resonating around that huge nose. You can feel the vibrations coming up through the ground. It's like someone revving a big motorbike right next to you. Inside that mouth are 4 canine teeth. Look a little bit like that. Particularly the 2 on the lower jaw are angled forward like this and can be used in a stabbing motion. If that was propelled at me, I wouldn't last a second.
In the tropical forests of New Guinea, one male is dedicated to making an unforgettable first impression.
Oh mein Gott, das Video kenne ich, das ist so geil.
The bird of paradise is cleaning his display ground. He obsessively tidies every fallen leaf. His stage must be meticulously tidy for what will be an incredible performance. A few attractive berries to help decorate the floor.
Der spawnt einfach Beeren.
His final touch is hardly ever seen. Might he think he's found a bit of old snake skin? Some scientists believe he's trying to add the scent of a snake to ward off predators. For others, it's a cleaning cloth and he's polishing a perch for a female.
Krass. Jetzt Schlangenhaut, damit es nach Schlange riecht, damit keine Feinde kommen. Krank. Smart.
Later, he uses a bigger bit of rag and does the same. Only strong, healthy and well-fed males can afford the time and effort for the most meticulous preparation. And in theory, they're the ones with better genes to pass on. He'll have a highly critical audience.
Wann ist der hübsche Vogel?
Rehearse the main act.
Not bad, bro. Das ist ein Jammer. Hey, hey. Baba.
His dance
Chillig.
steps perfected, he's ready to start the show for real. He spots a female nearby, so quickly goes to get more berries to tempt her in.
Was er nicht alles für Frauen macht, ey, was ein Simp. Simp Andy.
Disaster. He's left his polishing rag on the dance floor.
Yoink.
It's perfect for her nest. She flies off without even seeing his dance.
Oh nein.
He delivers his berries too late. He never got a chance to win her heart. And he lost his precious polishing cloth.
Das war die eine. Das war sie.
To work.
Hä?
Spinosaurus is a predator, but one that hunts in water. It's Ichthyophagus, a fish eater. This is Onchopristis, an 8-meter-long giant sawfish, similar to those alive today. The saw-like rostrum is lined with lethal barbs and is in itself up to 2.5 meters in length. It's thought they migrated into freshwater rivers to breed, where the young may be safer, but the adults are exposed to new threats.
Warte, ich mach das ganz kurz.
With the breeding season at its height, these rivers are filled with Onchopristis. It's the perfect hunting opportunity for Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus's conical teeth evolved to grip prey rather than tear off flesh. For that, it needs powerful arms and claws.
Das war erfrischend.
With prey plentiful, Spinosaurus can afford to be wasteful, a fact which other dinosaurs take full advantage of. Rugops, an 8-meter carnivore. Anywhere else it might dominate. But here it is dwarfed by Spinosaurus.